My son. Well, I know this isn't probably the video you guys expected, but it's kind of tough to do anything these days. So I kind of make do with what I have, and I don't have much right now. So today I'm just gonna kind of wing it and see what I come up with. So for now, we're just gonna get cleaned up and a little vlog for the day. We'll start trimming up the beard a little bit here, and we'll try to make it look presentable. Got a ways to go. Gotta get my shower, so give me a little bit. Is this too intimate? Oh well. Because of wearing a mask, I haven't been able to actually use any beard oil or balms or anything, so it's kind of nice. Kind of nice to get that feeling again, you know. It's good for your beard too, because otherwise it dries out a little too much and gets that flyaway, and you just don't feel very good. Let's move on to the next beard balm. And then I gotta go to the store and put a mask on. That's gonna be fun. So maybe it's kind of pointless. Don't know. We'll find out. All right, now that I got the shower done and got the beard all looking nice, I need to run a few errands. I need to go to the store and get a few things, and need to get the work van down to the shop, get some new tires on it hopefully, and get it serviced. And there's a few other things I want to do today, so why don't you just tag along and see what it is I do on my day off when nobody else is home. Store run accomplished. I also have to get my work van into the shop today, but first I need to stop and get a coffee. I'm working on it.
Trying to shoot a video?
I am.
Am I going to be in it?
You are.
There's that for you.
Thank you. My son.
There's that for you, sir. And I don't know why I gave you 2 straws, because you can take these, both of them.
All right, thank you.
Yours.
All right, bye.
Yeah.
Got my coffee. Gonna drop off groceries I got at the store at home, and we'll get in the van and take it down to the shop. Three vehicles in one day. I do a lot of driving. How's it going?
Good.
Good. Alright, so no new tires on the work van today. They've got to get them ordered. Really can't see me. There we go, that's better. So we also got a sensor that's bad, so they're going to get that replaced next week as well. So hopefully this van will drive a little bit better. Now time to go home, and got a few more things I got to do. Don't know if you can see it or not. This is basically in my backyard. It's pretty cool. We get deer up in our yard all the time, so. Now I'm back from the store, and picked something up while I was out there. I've actually been picking up a few items here and there while I can to try and hopefully put out some better videos. Recently I just bought a new, they call it a dead cat windsock for my microphone, so hopefully when I'm doing the outside videos we won't get any of that wind noise, and I'll be able to better edit that audio for you guys. Then today, for vlogging, picked up this, a ring light. So let's see how that kind of works. Maybe I'll do a review on this one. So let's get this set up and see what we got. So with all that accomplished, I'm gonna wrap the video here and say thank you everybody for joining me, and got some other stuff planned. I do want to make a tabletop for my kind of corner of the house to make my YouTube studio, and I'll do some editing and video on how I'm gonna actually make that tabletop. We had a lot of things going on this weekend. Our neighbors got married, so we had the wedding and reception we went to yesterday. That's why I'm wearing a different shirt. It's 2 days later. Inconsistencies again. I know, I get it. Just leave me alone. But I do want to, something else I wanted to do. It's been a couple of videos since this happened, but I wanted to thank my cousin James White over at Freakin' Reviews. He actually gave me a shout out a few weeks ago, and I thanked him personally, but I didn't thank him in a video yet, and I wanted to get that out there. I was humbled and honored that you actually wanted to acknowledge me and my channel. You've helped me immensely. I've had tons and tons of questions doing this, and you've always been there. You've been a huge supporter of mine, so I want to thank you. And then I also want to thank all the subscribers that said hi to me, that were subscribers of Freakin' Reviews, my cousin. I love each and every one of you for taking the time to come and say hi. So I greatly appreciate that. There's a few other things I want to do. I want to give a couple of shout outs myself. To a buddy of mine I've known for 20 plus years. He started a YouTube channel as well. He is getting started. He started just a little bit before I did, and I will link his channel down in the comments or somewhere around, however it works. His channel is a DIY channel. His name is Mike Ross, and I really love where he's going with the channel. We're planning on doing a collaboration hopefully in the near future, so we'll do maybe some crossover stuff. But I want you guys to go check it out. It's Just Try It DIY, and he's really doing some kind of cool stuff. So go over and give him a shout out from me, and tell him hi, and subscribe, help him get his numbers up, and we'll all work together on this. The other thing is, and if anybody follows me personally on Facebook, you know that I just posted something yesterday about another channel. It's a channel that I've been watching for a long time now. It's Spider Garage. It's a father and son who started rebuilding I can't remember the year, I want to say it's a 78 Monza Spider. And Ken and Nathaniel, you guys do absolutely amazing things. I love seeing you guys work together, and all of your friends that have come over to help. They're a little far for me to come and help, but one of these days maybe I will be able to do that. But if you haven't been watching this channel, it's amazing. It's filled with fun and heartbreak and accomplishment. You know, he's teaching his son how to do all these amazing things and have a car that he can drive and have fun with. And it's incredible. They've almost reached their monetization goal, so I want anybody that can go over, give them a like, give them a subscribe, and help them out, would you? I'm sure they would really appreciate it. And on top of all of that, I want to thank all of you for watching all my videos. They're not always what you would want to see, I'm sure, but thanks again. I would like it if you would subscribe, like this video, and then also click that notification bell so nobody misses anything. I will do my best to be more consistent. It's just, I procrastinate, and I'm bad at that. Sorry. So I will do my best to get better. I will, I swear. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and just remember, have fun and be yourself. I hope you enjoyed this little piece that I do on my So I hope you guys enjoyed this little piece of my life that's kind of a behind the scenes stuff that not everybody knows. That's dumb too.